In this video, we reveal the running shoe technology of 2030. Imagine walking into a store, scanning your feet, and having a printer spit out a midsole mapped perfectly to your unique biomechanics within minutes. While the Adidas 4 DFWD teased this lattice structure, the real revolution isn't just the cool look. It's variable density cushioning that creates a Cinderella fit, completely eliminating break-in periods. This moves us from mass production to mass customization, treating the foot as a unique fingerprint rather than a generic size 10. We've discussed foam energy return in previous episodes, but the next frontier is geometry designed by non-human intelligence. AI algorithms are currently generating outsole patterns and midsole shapes too complex for human engineers to draw, maximizing traction and stability while shaving off grams. This is generative design. We tell the computer the goal, and it evolves thousands of iterations to find the mathematically perfect structure. The dirty secret of the current super shoe era is the waste. Pebax foams simply do not rot. The future demands circularity, meaning you might not buy shoes in 2030. You'll lease the materials. Brands like On are piloting subscription models where old shoes are ground down to create the raw pellets for your next pair, shifting the industry from a linear trash factory to a closed loop. Forget checking your watch for cadence. Soon, your shoe will vibrate to correct your form in real time. We are looking at embedded piezoelectric sensors that harvest energy from your foot strike to power Bluetooth transmission, sending granular gait data directly to your coach without ever needing a battery charge. This transforms the shoe from a passive tool into an active coach that knows your fatigue levels before you do. Now for the reality check. Don't hold your breath for active suspension or motorized propulsion, as World Athletics has effectively outlawed mechanical aid to preserve the integrity of the sport. The real controversy isn't technology, it's accessibility. Personalized manufacturing will likely push elite racing options well past the $500 mark. We are heading toward a bifurcated market where the gap between consumer and pro gear becomes a massive financial canyon. Until 2030 arrives, stop waiting for a magic bullet and focus on the foam rotation strategy we outlined in Layer 3. The future is exciting, but current super foams like ZoomX and Lightstrike Pro are already offering 90% of the possible performance benefits. The rest is just marginal gains for the elites. The best technology you can invest in right now isn't a future promise. It's consistent training in the shoes that work for you today. Subscribe to stay ahead of the running technology curve.